So today I'm going to be showing you guys the kind of photos you can get with the Sony a6400 camera. I'm going to be testing it out with two different lenses, and then I'll show you all the different photos. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go. This was a pretty chill day. My friends and I, we decided to meet up and do a photo shoot. We decided to meet up at this time. It was around 3 p.m. So the sun was sort of going down, but it wasn't, all the way golden hour. But we planned to shoot for a bit until golden hour so we could get both daytime and also some golden hour shots. For this shoot, I was using two of my most favorite lenses. So one is the Sigma 16mm 1.4 and the second is the Sigma 56mm 1.4. So I was alternating between the two of these lenses during this shoot. At this point, I noticed that the sunlight was a little too harsh. So we decided to walk over to a place that had a bit of a shade so we can take a few portraits and also wait for the sun to go down a bit and get those really nice golden hour shots. My aim for this shoot was to kind of get a lot of those candid shots, those shots where you're just natural, not really posing. A few of those candid shots, but also we were still going to take like some proper portraits. Yeah, I personally think this camera is really good. It shoots in 4K for videos, and also, you can see the photos. I personally think the photos are amazing. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about the camera. Let me know what you guys think about the lenses. Or you might think there's a better camera that you should invest in. Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, which is very important. I'll see y'all in the next video.